am video documenting. This is the first video that is getting rained on. There's various spots on my screen from rain. Oh my! Oh my! Oh! Oh my! Oh! No! Oh! It's really lightning. Oh! 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 It's just like an endless lightning storm, and occasionally there's a big boom of thunder. It is raining like crazy. It's blowing. I'm trying not to get that wet. Well, here comes a gust of. Whoa! Ho ho ho! Oh! Oh! It's blowing wind. Good thing I got a waterproof camera. This thing better be waterproof. Well, this is the first main test of the waterproof camera, but whoa! 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 Ah. Whoa! I don't know if you can see that, but it is raining like crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Whoa! Wow. It is really just like constantly lighten it up. Whoa. Oh! Man! Wow! It is raining like crazy. Whoa! Oh, it's blowing. Oh. It's blowing like crazy. Woo! This thing is waterproof, just to let you know, so you don't get worried that I'm breaking my new camera. But this thing is waterproof, so. Wahoo! Wow. Wow. Whoa! I don't want to get struck by lightning. I'm probably gonna get struck by lightning. Hopefully not. Man. Last time we had a thunderstorm like this, I saw fire trucks down the road, so. And on the news, there's fires, so. Lightning causes a lot of fires. Yeah, that's a known fact that lightning causes fires. So it's still raining like crazy. After about 10 minutes of this thing, oh, it's raining like crazy. Oh, and the people over there turned on their floodlights. Oh, look at this thing. Look at it. Now you can kind of see the rain better, that there's a light. See that? You see all that rain blowing across the street? That is crazy. Whoa. Oh, I don't want to make this video too long. It's just a bunch of thunder and lightning. So, yeah. You can just see how much rain is coming down and all the extreme lightning and everything. So, yeah, that's just a thunderstorm. Wow.